Hi there, this is Tengu, creator of the Ultimate Clinical Research Toolbox. So today I want to talk about principal investigator oversight in a clinical trial and why it matters. And the reason why I brought up this topic is simply because after overseeing several audits across global studies, one of the most common findings is the lack of oversight by a principal investigator. Now, in the United States, we have the 1572, which tells you that you are responsible for everything that goes on in the trial, okay? And in addition to that, you have a delegations log where you delegate duties to the members of your staff who are going to be managing the clinical trial. But you have to remember this, you cannot delegate responsibility, you can only delegate duties. And so back to principal investigator oversight. How does that actually work at the level of your clinical trial site? So I'll give you 3 tips. The first thing is that you want to make sure that you are present in the source documents. And by the source documents, I mean whatever you're using to capture the data that is coming from the study procedures conducted on your patients. So whether it's making sure that you're writing something in the progress notes, you're signing it, you understand the status of every patient at your trial, and it is obvious. That's the first tip, being present in the source documents. The second thing is that you want to show oversight through the meetings that you're having with your staff while the trial is going on. And by meetings, I mean you want to know the overall status of the trial at your site. How many patients are enrolled? What exactly is going on with those patients? And then at the project level, you want to know the overall status of the project. You know, the timelines, when the estimated deadlines are. You want to know about that. And you also want to make sure that as you're having these meetings with your staff, it is documented and that someone can come into your site and take a look at the progress of the study and actually see your participation. And the last thing that is important, and it might sound very simple, but I promise you these are things that have come up over the years, is that you actually want to review the patients in the electronic data capture system. And typically, majority of trials now use electronic case report forms to capture the data from the clinical trial site. So you want to make sure that you're logging in periodically to check on the data. And I can tell you that there have been so many trials that I've worked on and the principal investigator has never logged in. He has never logged in, and a lot of the times the norm is that you're just waiting for the end of the trial and then you can go in and sign all the patients' ECRFs. But again, you want to make sure you log in periodically to ensure that you are participating in the conduct of your trial. So those are the 3 tips. Be present in the source documents, document all the meetings that you're having with your staff on the progress of the study, and lastly, please make sure that you're logging into the EDC system and reviewing the data that is being captured throughout the course of the study. So those are the 3 tips that I had for you. I look forward to your feedback and thank you for listening. Once again, this is Tengu, creator of the Ultimate Clinical Research Toolbox. Have a great day. Bye-bye.